How to translate text with Chat GPT. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, install Chat GPT on your device. Now open up Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now type Chat GPT and tap on search. Now after installing Chat GPT, tap on open. Now tap on continue with Google and select your account. Now tap on continue. So after logging in, now paste your text here and type translate it to the specified language and tap on the arrow button to send the message. So by following this simple step, you can translate text with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.